And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Matt Holliner.
6:43 this morning, and look at the rain from Hurricane Laura. Can you find the track? I bet you can. Those shades of red showing up around the center of the storm. I mean, so many. Remember what these shades indicate. We're talking yellow. That's at least 2 inches of rain. And you know what's most remarkable about the storm? Guess where the biggest rainfall total was? Not in Louisiana, but way up here in Wicks, Arkansas. Yes, western Arkansas, 9 inches of rain. Because why? The storm slowed down. And even though the winds came down, there was still wind damage. It's a tropical storm. There was wind damage in Arkansas, not like what they saw in Louisiana, but trees came down. But the rain actually worse in Arkansas because of the slow movement. That's why Hannah was so bad for us, because it was a slow mover. Once Laura slowed down, it produced even more rain and just terrible flooding in this area. But this is not the only area that's seen flooding. I mean, look at these shades of red and pink. There's been flooding in other locations as well. Again, when you have a major hurricane make landfall, the impacts extend well inland. It's not just along the coast. And guess what? The flood threat is going to continue. The wind threat going away, though there is a chance of tornadoes still because of Laura. But look at all the places where flooding is possible today, particularly these shades of yellow. But even in the green, it cannot be ruled out. There could still be isolated flooding. So many are going to see rain today, and heavy rain. And then guess what? The flood threat continues for one more day tomorrow. There may not be a whole lot of rain. I mean, certainly not the kind of rain totals that we've been seeing right here in West Virginia and Virginia, but this is in the Appalachian Mountains. It does not take much rain for flooding to occur. And yes, isolated flooding is possible even in the Northeast. As Laura moves back out into the Gulf Stream, it's going to continue to produce rain for the Northeast, and isolated flooding is possible. Finally, on Sunday, Laura will stop impacting the U.S. Meanwhile, in the valley, here we go again, another heat advisory. And I tell you what, I think we're definitely going to get one tomorrow. And there is a chance for a heat advisory every day for the next 7 days. Today, everyone under the heat advisory from noon to 6. Northern Hidalgo County, you missed out yesterday. Not today. Feels like temperatures no cooler than 106. That's most likely right along the coast, by the way. It's South Padre. And could reach in a few spots up to 112. That means the average feels like temperature this afternoon, 109. About like yesterday. So you know what it is today? A great pool day. You know what? And that's a good thing if you're working from home. You can always take a little break, hop in the pool. Why not? Especially about 2:30 this afternoon. That's going to be when it's the hottest on average in the valley. We're talking about highs around 99, but again, those feels like temperatures around 109. Now, it is going to get breezy this afternoon, so you might even feel briefly a little bit chilly when you get out of the pool because of that breeze. Notice no chance of rain today. Mostly sunny skies expected. Going to do some grilling this evening? Well, heads up. It's still going to be breezy early, and it is still going to be hot. 95 at 6 o'clock, 91 at 8 o'clock. And look at this. Even at 10 o'clock tonight, 87 degrees. Finally, not so breezy. But because it's going to stay breezy in the evening hours, that's going to make it hard for our temperatures to drop. The winds keep the temperatures up, so even 87 at 10 o'clock tonight. The low tonight, 80 degrees. And then what about the weekend? 100 tomorrow, feeling the same as today. That's why I think another heat advisory is coming. 109, no chance rain, mostly sunny. Just a light breeze. It's going to be breezy on Sunday. Gusts around 20 miles per hour, like today. The heat index 108. We might have another heat advisory, but there is a chance of rain, a 20% chance for seeing some sea breeze, showers, and storms. Best chance in the afternoon, best chance near the coast. More news right after this break.